Knowing your skin type is the first step to caring for your skin. And remember, the best makeup to wear is a glowy and healthy skin. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty Mark and I do everything beauty, skincare and lifestyle. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and don't make it last. And if you're a subscriber, you're welcome back, honey. On today's YouTube video, I'm going to be talking about skin types, how to know your skin types. And probably by the end of this video, you should be cautious or more conscious of the products you use for your skin type. The first thing we should know is that there are 5 different skin types. So people are going to say that there are 4 skin types and some are going to say that there are 5, but let me just call them, should I call it 4 or 5? Okay, let's say there are 4 skin types. Okay, we have the dry skin, we have the oily skin, we have the normal skin, we have the combination skin, and then lastly we have the sensitive skin. But why I will not classify this as a skin type is because you can be an oily skin person and be sensitive skin person at the same time. You can be normal skin and still have a sensitive skin at the same time. Okay, so you can be a combination skin person and still have a sensitive skin. So let's just add the sensitive skin. Let's not just add it at the skin type, okay, but know that there is something called the sensitive skin. So I'm just going to give you guys the characteristics of the skin type. Now by the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys an experiment of how to know your skin type. If after watching everything we say here you still do not know, I'm going to give you guys a detailed experiment, so just to make sure, or for you to also experiment and be sure of your skin type. An oily skin person, there is an excess production of sebum. This is an oil secretion of the sebaceous gland. Now for oily skin person, on your face you will notice an appearance of, or basically your face will be shiny and greasy, especially the T-zone area, okay, which is your nose, your forehead. Now you notice those parts of your face are really shiny, oily, greasy. If you're an oily skin person, people with oily skin are most likely to have enlarged pores. They are more prone to acne breakouts. Those are like the characteristics of an oily skin person. This one I'm talking about is a dry skin person. Now if you're a dry skin person, your face would usually appear dry or dull or flaky, often feel tight, less elastic, and you also have more itching feeling on your face and more irritations on your face. The next one we're talking about is a normal skin person. Now you know the word already, normal. There's a balance, okay? If you're a normal skin person, there is a balance in your skin. A normal skin person, you're neither oily nor dry, okay? Your pores are usually small. People with normal skin are not prone to breakouts, okay? So that is it for normal skin. You're normal skin, you're normal, you're just there, you're a normal person, okay? That's what we're going to be talking about is a combination skin. Now combination skin is talking about you having the skin of an oily person and of a dry person together, okay? So most times you'll be oily on the T-zone area, which is your nose, your forehead, and probably your cheeks might be oily or dry, okay? So you are more of a combination skin person. The last one I'm going to be talking about is a sensitive skin person. Sensitive people are always combined with one of the previous skin type I mentioned. You can be oily and sensitive, you can be dry and sensitive, you can be combination and sensitive, you can be normal and sensitive, okay? Now when you have a sensitive skin, you probably have itches on your face feels red, burning sensation. Most times this sensitive people or people with sensitive skin, those itches or those redness of the face are always often triggered by something your face does not accept. So things like perfumes, things like dyes, things like basically external factors, anything. Just you have to find out what is it your face does not accept. Any skincare product that contains things like that, okay? So if after everything I just said you still do not know, okay, you cannot determine your skin type, we're going to be doing a quick experiment right now. So now I clean my face and this is 2 hours after washing and drying my face, okay? Nothing has been laid on this face. I don't know if it's noticeable from this video, but my face just feels weird, it feels dry. I don't know, my face just feels really dry today, although the weather is really calm. There is no sun today per se, but the weather, it's a rainy season, so the weather is really calm today, so probably that's why, I do not know. But this is what we have. This is what my face looks like 2 hours after I have washed and cleaned my face, okay? Ideally I would tell you to wait for about 30 minutes or more, but for this video actually stay for 2 hours before making this clip, okay? We're going to be using a blotting paper. This is my blotting paper. I got this one from AliExpress. I'm going to be leaving the link for you guys just in case you want to get from AliExpress also. So we're going to be using this. So before using this, just looking at my face or looking at my face from the mirror, I don't know if it's probably showing through this video, but then I noticed that I could feel some oil at the T-zone area on my forehead. Not feeling any oil on my cheek though. So I feel, or I think I'm a combination skin girl. But before now, I will always tell you I'm oily skin, but now I think I'm combination skin, okay? Because even right now, I think the feeling of, or like the oil on my face is not so much. And the first place I'm going to be using this is my nose. So I'm just going to press this. Now, like I said previously, if using your blotting paper and there is abundant oil on your nose, then you should name yourself, or you should probably call yourself a combination girl or an oily skin girl, okay? Now, if you do this blotting paper thingy all over your face and there are oil, then you should probably call yourself. Now, this is what we have. I don't know if you guys can see this, but then there are oils on this place, okay? Now, this is not too much for me. This experiment thing, are you sure you're working properly? But this is not too much for me, and I think the weather is contributing to the fact that I'm actually not having so much oil on my face right now. So I'll basically call myself a combination skin girl. I'm also going to use another blotting paper on my forehead. If you have little or no oil on your face, know you're a dry skin girl. If you have abundant oil on your nose, your forehead, you know that you're an oily skin person, okay? If you have a small amount of oil on your forehead or on your nose, then you're probably a combination girl like me, okay? This is the one I haven't used, and this is the one that I have used. Now I can see some differences at these parts, just to show me that okay, these are the parts that the oil was shown, and this is like a plain one because I'm trying to see the difference. I'm not really seeing so much, but yeah, I will tell myself a combination skin girl. This is the one I use for my nose, and you can see this area is oily, okay? So just say that yeah, the oil is not so much, but there is small amount of oil, okay? Now this is the one I use for my forehead. Probably, I hope you can see this, guys. Even though I use this on my cheeks, okay, or I use this on my cheeks. Let me see if there's going to be any oil here. I just tried this again on my forehead, and I noticed that there is little or no oil on this blotting paper, just for me to be sure that what I was seeing was actually oil, okay? So if you are a dry skin girl, you would literally notice no oil, okay, when using your blotting paper. Now if you're a combination skin girl, like I said, you notice a little or small amount of oil on your T-zone, your nose, your forehead, and probably maybe not on your chin. Now if you're oily skin girl, you will notice an abundant oil on your nose, on your forehead, and also on your chin. If you're a normal skin girl, you see minimum oil on all parts of your face, okay? I hope this was helpful. Now even without using your blotting paper, I'm sure you can still find out about your skin type by just watching yourself, or basically watching your skin after you've had your bath, and just not apply anything on your skin for about 30 to 2 hours, and just watch your skin, or probably watch your face and see or determine what skin type you are. So guys, I think I'm going to change my mind on that, and I'm going to call myself a normal and a combination skin girl. Sometimes the weather can just be frustrating, and I will just have lots of oils on my face, especially when I'm on makeup, or when I'm not on makeup purity, and when I'm not applied anything on my skin. I think I will still stay with the combination skin girl. Guys, please tell me what's your skin type on the comment section down below, okay? Because to be honest, we are doing this experiment together, okay? So loves, regardless of your skin type, you can be prone to acne breakouts. Well, from research, we saw that people with oily skin are more prone to acne breakouts, okay? But honestly, loves, you can be dry skin and you're still prone to acne breakouts, okay? So regardless of your skin type, you can be prone to acne breakouts. However, with the right product, you'll be able to care for your skin and address your skin condition regardless, okay? So my loves, we've come to the end of this video. I hope this was helpful, and I hope it was fun for you. Please let me know in the comment section what skin type you think you are, okay? And just in case I forgot to mention, guys, the wig I'm putting on is from Purity Wigs, okay? And I sell braided wigs, so please follow me on Instagram and feel free to patronize, okay? I'll see you in my next video. Stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye guys.